how to create your art and creative classes website for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own website for free using this platform, which is squarespace.com. So let's get started by clicking on the get started button, and here it will take us to the page that we can choose templates from, and those are pre-made templates that can help us build our own website with ease. We can just choose one of these templates and build on top of it, change the header, footer, change some texts and some images, and then we will have our own website ready for work. So here we can filter by the type of our website, if it's an online store or a one page or memberships, and you can also filter by the topic, if it's about art and design or health and beauty or personal and CV or local business. So for my niche I'm going to go with art and design, and my niche is art and creative classes. So just click on art and design and let's see what this platform can offer us. So here we have a lot of templates. As you can see, we have also the blank template that will allow you to build your own template from scratch. If you're not interested in saving time by using one of these pre-made templates, you can always go with the blank template. And let's scroll down to see if we can find a template that can fit or that will meet our requirements. So let's see what we can find. So we need a template about courses in the art. So let's see what we can find. So I'm just going to use one of the templates that I saw before, just to give you an idea about how this platform works. So let's go with this one. Let's click on preview Ventura, which is the name of the template. Then click on view demo site to view the website in full width. As you can see, this is the website in full width. As you can see, you can just close this tab and click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up for you. It will take just some seconds, and then they will request you to give a title for your website. So you can just type in your niche and click on continue and then close those tabs. We don't need them anymore. And on our left you can see we have a lot of sections that I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. Starting with website, it's the place where you can add new pages or delete the ones that you already have or adjust them. As you can see, you can change all of that in here. Let's go back home, and then we have the commerce section, and it's where you can manage your orders, inventory and customers. You can manage also your discounts, and you can create your new products or choose more ways to sell, like selling with memberships or custom merch. Let's go back home and let's see the other sections. We have the marketing section, and from its name it's pretty obvious that it's about everything to grow your audience. So we have the email campaigns, the SEO appearance and the promotional pop-up or the pixels and ads. Then we have the scheduling phase. It's where you can set up your availability time for your clients to book appointments with you, or you can set your calendar for your clients to book meetings with you, to go one-on-one with you, face-to-face. Then we have the asset library, and it's where you can save your files, images and your folders. to use them later on while designing your template or your website. Then we have the analytics, and it's where you can see your dashboard. You can see the revenue, units sold, orders, and your conversion rate, your AOV, sales traffic, and geography. Also you can also go to profiles, and it's where you can adjust the profiles of your clients. You can delete someone's profile or you can change it from there. Then you have the settings, and it's where you can set up your domain name or change it. You also have your Google Workspace, and you can also change the site's availability from here, from private to public. You have also the site's languages if you want to change the language of your site. And by scrolling down you can see the store payments, and it's where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or your PayPal account or your Square account if you are from the United States only. Also you have the store currency if you want to change your currency from the United States dollar to any other currency you want. So that's it for the settings section. Let's go back home and let's proceed to the editing phase or area by clicking on edit. You will see this page expand to give us more space to focus on designing our template or website. So here, as you can see, you can change the site's header by clicking on it, edit site header. You will be able to upload a logo for your site and change the title of the site, change the elements, styles, and if you want it to be in fixed position or not. And then you can also scroll down to the bottom. In here you can edit the footer by clicking on it. It's like a section. You can edit it, remove it, or duplicate it in the way you want. Then you click again on the main page, and you can edit everything in between, from the edit footer to the header. You can edit everything in between them, including sections, blogs, texts, headlines, pictures, images, buttons, and everything in it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea about this platform and how it works. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends. And don't forget to support us by typing a comment in the comment box down below.